Guys, I am so flippin' excited. Keep a close eye on this video. Because I'm going to be showing you guys a fidget that I just got. I'm going to show you all of my fidgets. Fidgets! 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 Okay, and by the way, guys, I just got these fidgets 5 minutes ago. If you guys are on my 1 second ago. If you guys are on my if you guys watch my TikTok, you can see me unpacking it 5 seconds ago. Seriously, 5 seconds ago. Anywho. Okay, so the first fidget is slime. This is actually, slime is a fidget, guys. Got more than one slime fidget though. Got a lot more slime. But I'm gonna play with that after because I don't just want to play with slime. Like play with it right now. And then I got this slime fidget and I really like this one. It's beautiful. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna just like close these because perfect. Nice. Okay. Next, I have also this slime. You know what? I'll just play with this one. Ooh. Oh. This is a nice slime. Ooh, that's nice. It's like such a good fidget. Okay, slime is like a really good fidget. Okay, next one is this one. This one is like a stickier one, so I'm not gonna play with that right now. Then we got a pink one. See how sticky this one is. It's not that sticky, but I don't want to play with it right now, even though I'm so good with it. I want to play with it. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys me playing with this. Just this one because this one's not that sticky right now. I could play with slime that's very sticky, but like I don't want to play with it right now, guys, because this is a slime. Whoop. It's very pretty fidget. It's really nice too. By the way, guys, you better like this video. Like, why aren't you liking? You guys always just like, I only get views on my videos, not likes. Why don't you guys want to do likes for me? Anywho, the next slime is this slime. It looks really cool. So excited for this fidget, guys. I got my dream fidget. This is my dream fidget. A pop-it. I'm gonna show you the pop-it clicks. Guys, just listen to that, guys. If you guys don't like pop-its, that's rude. So relaxing. Okay. Guys, next fidget is a Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cubes aren't really, actually, yeah, they are fidgets. This is me playing with my Rubik's Cube. I can't figure this thing out. Even though it's a small one, I still can't figure it out. Okay, that was showing you guys more of my fidgets. Bye!